Hi everyone, let's go and try bouldering with me. Hey! If you're also interested on booking, like trying bouldering, yeah, so dito sa website, just go to the website of Beehive. So madami pang ibang parang bouldering gym around Metro Manila, but I saw itong Beehive sa may Circuit Makati. So you just have to go to their website and then check nyo na lang doon yung mga available schedule or packages that they have. So today is the day that I am going to try bouldering. So it's like wall climbing pero walang harness. So nakapag wall climbing ako sa may Sandugo, yung sa may market, sa may cinema area. So sarado na nga ata yung 18 pero ayun, yung wall climbing is kasi meron siyang harness, 'di ba? Ganyan. Dito sa bouldering, so number one, wala siyang harness. Tapos merong rule na may mga kulay yung mga bato. So yung pwede mo lang tapakan at hawakan ay yung same color na bato. So, yun lang yung pagkakaalam ko. And then, somehow, pagka nahulog ka, kailangan alam mo kung paano ka babagsak. Yung tamang bagsak na hindi ka masyadong injured. So, yeah. So, schedule ko today ay 2 p.m. It's currently 12:35. So, I'm going to book angkas or move it papunta dun sa may circuit mall sa may Makati. So, this is my first time din na mapuntahan yung mall na yun kasi hindi siya ganun ka-accessible, I think. So, dito sa location ko, no? So, yeah, I'm going to book angkas or move it and then let's go bouldering. So, dito na ako ngayon sa circuit. Grabe, ang layo pala nito. So, freshen up lang and then let's go there. Ay, naku. Grabe. Parang ang layo-layo naman ng circuit Makati sa Taguig. Hanap-hanap lang. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan. Hindi ko alam kung malaki din tong circuit. So, upper ground. And then, let's just buy some snacks.
Pag only one tag, hands, one time each sa 2 holds. As for your feet, they just need to be off of the floor like this before you can start climbing. And you can also smear on the wall with your feet or with your hands. You can take a picture later.
Okay.
Finally, some safety reminders. Mamaya when you're climbing alone, always be aware of your surroundings. Basic ano muna. So gusto mo yung feet mo pag magla-land ka sa paglalagay mo yung feet mo sa holds, you wanna use dapat dito kasi mga tao. Again, toes point forward. Lang siya.
Yeah, okay. So,
Right.
ito.
Left. So, tingin ka sa foothold. Left, right. Okay. So, kailangan mo muna, i-move mo muna yung right foot. Yan, vertical yung pinag-nakikita ngayon. Slab. Ito naman yung slab area.
Slab. Okay.
Hindi dito. Kasi wala na akong kakapintan eh.
So dapat yung first.
For this one, it's here. Kasi dito sa opposite
Opposite.
direction.
Ooh. Yeah.
Here, match ka. Here.
Ooh.
Ang mababasa ko, hindi ko lang.
Yeah.
So, ito rin, gagamitin mo ito. Pwede naman.
Oh. So done with the bouldering session, no? It's just for 1 hour with trainer. So nakakapagod din siya, challenging. So I'll give details later. Okay. Alright, yeah. I'm home. Whew, grabe, recap tayo dun sa bouldering session, no? So, at first, mukha siyang madali, but it is not. It is not that easy. Hindi madali maging akyat bahay level 1. For the location, there are other bouldering gym available within the Metro Manila. But for the Circuit Makati, sa akin na, hindi ganun ka accessible. So, for the transportation, I paid like around 300, ano na yun, the back and forth na yun, no? So, papunta tsaka pa uwi na nag-move it para less hassle. Pero, upon research, merong public transportation. May like, there's a bus from Circuit going to One Ayala, and then from One Ayala, you'll be able to take there yun na, yung mga public transportation going to wherever, no? So, ayan, weekday ngayon, pero medyo may maliit lang kasi yung lugar pero okay naman, no? May mga tao, pero sabi mas madami daw yung tao nung weekend. So, I think okay na din. Mas okay na pumunta doon ng weekdays kesa weekend. Next naman, for the facility ng Beehive dun sa may Circuit. Number 1, pagpasok, amoy pa. Sorry pero I think given kasi basta I think normal naman nata yun sa mga like gym or what. Ewan ko, yun yung una kong amoy pa. And then, pero kompleto naman yung kumbaga okay naman yung facility. May locker, they can provide lock, they can provide lock basta mag-iiwan kayo ng ID dun sa reception. Ayun. And then, meron ding changing area if you need to change kasi yung chalk, no? So, medyo malagkit siya sa balat kapag after quite some time, o kaya kapag naka-black ka, very visible yung chalk dun sa damit. So, if you need to change up, pwedeng before the climb or after your climb, meron naman sila mga changing area, meron naman din dong water where you can rinse your arms, ganyan, para mawala yung chalk. So, ayun. What else? May CR din, ganyan. Tapos, around the area, may mga kainan naman. So, pwede kang lumabas to eat and buy some drinks. Tapos, balikan na lang ulit for when you're ready to climb, parang ganyan. So, yun. Should I say this? Baka mabash ako. Pero, like, English yung mga darling. Is that a sport na for conyo peeps? Because, no, like, B. Walang basta, yun, conyo peeps are, I'm not sure if that's just a sport dominated by conyo people or what. No, though there are also foreigners din kasi dun sa Beehive. So, yun lang. Prepare your English pag wala kang damihan mo yung baon mo ng English, or if you're with a friend, ayun, pwede mo, usap na lang kayo. Pero pag solo ka, quiet na lang, B. And then, about naman sa si Coach Dominic, well, very accommodating, very helpful, and I was able to complete yung madami akong kulay na naakyat today, and I feel like malaking factor doon is yung coaching skills ni Dominic. It's a good experience, no? So, let's proceed naman dun sa sa personal experience ko, and uulit ba ako dito sa bouldering na to? Parang kakaririn ko ba to? May part 2 ba ang aking bouldering experience? So, for my experience naman, no, para sa akin, since I'm a small girl, like 4'9" na height, medyo may disadvantage sa part ko dahil may mga portion na hindi ko siya kayang basta lang abutin. So, kailangan may effort on my part na either to jump or kailangan palakasin yung lower part ng body, gano'n. Si coach, abot niya na ng gano'n. Sa akin, hindi ko pa siya abot. Ganyan. So, isa yun sa challenge sa part ko. And another challenge that I've experienced is yung dito sa left wrist ko, yung carpal camberloo. So, may mga movement na para siyang naglalak yung dito, yung ugat dito. So, hindi ko ma-move ng maayos yung left hand ko. So, I think isa rin yun sa reason bakit dun sa last portion, yung sa may black, hindi ko siya na-complete kasi number one, it's very challenging. At the same time, hindi ko masyadong maasahan yung left hand ko. So, medyo mahaba na tong portion na to ng vlog. So, quick answer kung babalik ba ako. Definitely, I will be going back for another session. But for now, I will prepare my body. So yeah, probably few weeks from now, we will be back. Hopefully, makabalik kami dun sa Beehive. And while waiting for that session, yeah, I'll do planking, pull-ups, yes. Yung, ano ba yung exercise for lower body, di ba? Basta mga ganon. Definitely, I'll prepare my body for that one. And hopefully, okay na yung left wrist ko by that time para, alam mo yun, ang hirap naman, ang dami kong disadvantage on my part na ang liit ko na nga, tapos injured pa yung left wrist ko. So, ayun lang naman. But definitely, I enjoy being akyat bahay. So, hirap pala maging akyat bahay, no? So, ito, akyat bahay level 1. No? So, on our next section, on my next session would be akyat bahay level up. So, there. Feel free to try bouldering. And kung hindi accessible yung mga locations available sa Beehive, you may try yung other bouldering gym available within the Metro Manila. Sorry, wala akong masyadong video clips na ako mismo yung umaakyat. Kasi, mali yung, dapat pala hindi ko dito inilagay yung, yung action camera. Dapat tinayo ko na lang siya doon somewhere. But most of the video clips that I got ay iba yung umaakyat. Either si Coach Dominic yung nagsasample nung kung paano yung magiging route, no, dun sa pag-akyat, or someone else, no. So, yung iba, tawag nito, wala. Talagang, lang siya, pader lang yung nakikita ninyo, yung mga stones. Definitely, next time, I'll get better video clips nung climb. Sana yun, makabalik kami, makasama ko si Q dun sa part 2. So, there. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next adventure. Ay, kagutom. Sobrang nakakagutom yung bouldering na yan. Grabe. Madaming kainan within sa circuit, pero umuwi na nga. Mas minabuti kayo ng umuwi kasi masarap naman yung ulam namin dito sa bahay, B. We have adobo. Adobo.